Best Luxury Sports Cars for 2024 Porsche Cayman. In the realm of luxury sports cars, Porsche has consistently delivered a blend of elegance, precision, and exhilarating performance. As automotive enthusiasts eagerly anticipate the latest releases for 2024, the all-new 2024 Porsche Cayman emerges as a standout among the best luxury sports cars of the year, promising to redefine the driving experience with its impeccable design and thrilling performance. The 2024 Porsche Cayman arrives with a sleek and aerodynamic design that commands attention from every angle. Its sculpted lines, aggressive stance, and distinctive Porsche styling cues make a bold statement on the road, showcasing the brand's commitment to luxury and performance. From its LED headlights to its sporty rear spoiler, every detail is meticulously crafted to evoke a sense of sophistication and excitement. Under the hood, the 2024 Cayman boasts a range of powerful engine options, including turbocharged flat-six variants, each delivering exhilarating performance and dynamic acceleration that's sure to impress drivers. With its mid-engine layout and advanced chassis technology, the Cayman offers precise handling and responsive steering, allowing drivers to navigate corners with confidence and precision. But it's not just about performance. The 2024 Porsche Cayman also excels in luxury and comfort, featuring a meticulously crafted interior with premium materials, exquisite craftsmanship, and a range of cutting-edge technology features. From the comfortable and supportive seats to the intuitive infotainment system and advanced driver assistance technologies, every detail is designed to enhance the driving experience and ensure that occupants feel pampered and connected at all times. As one of the best luxury sports cars for 2024, the Porsche Cayman represents the pinnacle of automotive excellence, combining breathtaking performance with refined luxury in a package that's as exhilarating as it is elegant. Its sleek design, legendary performance, and uncompromising attention to detail ensure that it remains a top choice for drivers who demand the very best from their vehicles. In a market filled with contenders vying for attention, the 2024 Porsche Cayman stands out as a true icon, a symbol of German engineering prowess and automotive innovation. With its blend of luxury, performance, and style, it continues to capture the hearts and imaginations of drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best luxury sports cars of 2024 and beyond.